Looking for an easy way to paint your home? Meet the VONFORN 700W Paint Sprayer. Over 600 units have been bought in the past month at just $49.99, giving you a fantastic 17% discount off the regular price of $59.99. Imagine achieving that perfect finish while enjoying free returns. If you're not satisfied, return your sprayer with no shipping charges involved, hassle-free. Terms apply, and you can even save an extra 15% using promo code F94MJDR4 at checkout. Let's explore what makes this paint sprayer stand out. First, it comes with 4 nozzles and 3 adjustable spray patterns: horizontal, vertical, and circular. This versatility makes it perfect for various projects, from furniture to walls. One unique feature is its blowing and cleaning functions. Using the dust-blowing joint, you can easily clean surfaces before painting. After you're done, connect it to a faucet for effortless cleaning of the nozzle. Don't worry about complexity. This sprayer assembles easily without any tools. Beginners can start painting right after reading the manual. Remember, thorough cleaning after use is essential, and the sprayer includes a cleaning brush and needle for this task. Adjusting the paint flow is simple too. The control knob allows you to customize the output to suit your project needs. This prevents waste and ensures optimal results. In the box, you'll find everything you need: the sprayer, nozzles, filters, a viscosity cup, cleaning tools, and more. Have questions? Our technical and after-sales team is ready to assist you within 18 hours. Before purchasing, verify authenticity using our unique transparency code via the Amazon shopping app. Don't miss this incredible deal. Get your VONFORN 700W Paint Sprayer today and transform your painting experience like never before.